everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay guys, so today in this video we'll be talking about Imagine Network. This is world first decentralized AI powered social platform where your creativity, privacy and content ownership come first. AI led content creations like seamlessly generate images, videos, polls and more using advanced AI tools integrated directly into this platform. You can do blockchain backed decentralization, maintain full control over your creations and data, no central authority, just transparent governance powered by Web3. You can do tokenized engagement, use the native image token to own, trade and monetize your AI generated content across multiple chains like Ethereum, BNB and Solana. And you can do privacy centric experience. You can customizable filters, secure data, probability and user driven content moderation help you to shape your own feed. So what you can do, you can generate and share AI created content, whether images, videos, polls or interactive media comes first. You can own your creative rights via blockchain with full transparency and monetization options. You can connect with a global multi-chain community and collaborate securely. So we can see here that we are to the website of the Imagine.network. So first of all, here we can create an account. You can create a sign up here and then you can simply click on this. So all you have to do to sign up here, if you have already an account then you have to log in, but first you have to register yourself on this. For this you have to enter your username, password, email and simply click on this. So in this way your account will be simply made. Here we have the Twitter page of the project. We can find that this is a world first decentralized social network powered by AI cross chain. So this is the best platform of this. So all you have to do is to check this on website. You can simply follow them on Twitter, to check the recent tweets, recent details, recent all the details of this on this. So you can see here that first of all we can find some details of the recent tweets, recent details of this on so this is the world first decentralized powered social media platform that puts creativity, privacy and ownership back into your hands. When AI meets creativity, decentralized and transparent way, token powered community, smart adaptive experience as well. And here we are going to check some more details of Maxi. So it is listed on Maxi. We can see here you can claim your 10 USDT now. So all you have to do, simply click on sign up to claim your 10 USDT from here. So this is the best opportunity for you. And here we can find a recent detail, recent graph on this. We can see here that Image.network is on Maxi. So you can check the recent details. We can find the price in USDT, which is 0.019396. so this is the best. We can find the recent transactions, recent details, graph, everything is mentioned here. So all you have to do is to create this. Check this Maxi. We can find the Maxi pair with US image with USDT. We can find the value of this project. Price is 0.01936. so you can see that here we have the graph of this project as well. So in this way your account will be properly managed. And then we have some more details what it matters. You can empower creators. Automatic tools let you focus on your ideas while AI handles execution. Supporters, governance participate directly in platform decisions via proposals and token voting. Global scalable design for a multi-chain ecosystem with fast deployment of low fees up to $43 million recently decentralized build tools on Solana. So at last here we have social channels as well. You can join to your Telegram community, you can join to the Discord server link and follow them on Twitter. Here we have the white paper, so you can go through the white paper as well. Like if you have any type of questions, so you can go through the white paper. So this is a white paper of this Image Network, so you can check the white paper as well on this. So this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.